can just see walking into the hotel that it's a first-class affair.
It's really an outstanding conference.
It's been awesome.
You come into rooms and the computers are ready and loaded.
You really have every single field within a student's record available at your fingertips.
Great coming to a conference where all the classes are specific to the software that I'm using.
I know this was probably a lot of information, especially for those of you who are newer.
The information you get here is invaluable.
We all started with zero knowledge, so it can be done, but we are going to help you get there.
The people who come to ACS want to learn more.
We have a child that we got to the stop, but there's no one there to receive them. What can we do?
Well, every time I come, I learn so much more.
There's always a wealth of knowledge here.
The first thing I think would be, how do you keep the drivers that you currently have?
We have a big float fest that we provide like a charter service for.
We're going to guarantee them a specific number of hours.
Any nonprofit, we provide that transportation.
What is a crisis?
It took hours to evacuate these students to the field.
We didn't have any way to get the buses out because the fire apparatus and police were all in the front driveway.
How do you handle that?
In the midst of a crisis, every person needs to be on the same page. Communication shouldn't be a crisis. We should be communicating all the time. It should be the norm.
I know your industry. I know that number one priority is safety.
I have learned a lot so far, and that's just day one.
Jump into it, right?
I was excited to come this year, and it was really well worth it.
This is my first ACS, but it's definitely not going to be my last.